Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out a Believe Beauty product that I got from Dollar General. So Believe Beauty is exclusive to Dollar General and all of the makeup products are less than $5. So you know I love that. I have tried out so many Dollar General and Believe Beauty makeup products now, and I am so impressed. I am just so glad that I can find pretty much every makeup product that I could want at Dollar General at an amazing price and amazing quality. So I have high hopes for this today. And speaking of high hopes, this is Hi-Definition Skinny Mascara in the shade Black. It's long wearing. It says capture every lash with extreme precision. And I love a defining, separating mascara. So I'm excited to see how this is going to be. I do notice that it does not claim anything about like making lashes volumized or longer, which I do really like that in a mascara as well. But if it just separates, defines the lashes, then that'll be fine with me. It says it also has calendula extract to soothe and revitalize the lashes. So I love when a mascara has some beneficial ingredients in it because I love to take care of my eyelashes the best that I can. So here is the packaging, which is really nice. I have to say Believe Beauty makes really nice packaging. Let's check out the wand. Yes, it's very skinny. It is the brush bristles. I like a skinny wand though because I hate when I get mascara all over my eyelid or my under eye, so a smaller, skinnier wand should be less messy, but we're gonna find out. Here you can see what the wand looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to one of my eyes. And also I think I forgot to mention that this only cost $4.50. All right, so I do feel like since it's such a small skinny wand, it's not applying a lot of product onto the lashes right away, but that's okay, no clumping. The lashes are staying separated. I mean, this is a fine first coat, but it's nothing too amazing. And it feels like the wand is already dry, so I'm gonna dip back in so that I can apply it to my lower lashes. I love the idea of a defining skinny lower lash mascara because that's really all I want for my lower lashes. And this, it does seem to be fine. I don't seem to be getting mascara on my under eye, which is good. And I mean, it seems to coat every lash. It's just very not volumizing. So you kind of have to already have like kind of nice lower lashes for this to look good. So let's see what I can do for the top lashes because wow, even looking at myself on camera right now, it's a very slight difference with it versus without it. And I already feel like I spent a while applying this, but let's see what happens with another layer on the top lashes. It does seem to kind of darken the lashes, maybe add a little bit more volume. See if I can try and lengthen, tap on the ends, because I don't feel like it necessarily defines the entire lash all the way to the tip. The one thing that I am noticing, which I like, is that the lashes are staying separated, but I am starting to see some clumping, which I'm trying to brush through the clumping, but it's hard to get with this one because the bristles are so short. So like after sitting here for a while trying to layer this up again, this is what I can get with a lot of mascaras on just one coat, and this has already taken a long time to build up and I want more. At least it is defining the lashes, so they're looking full because of that, making them separated. But I just personally like more impactful lashes. So layering up once again, which I definitely think that I need 3 layers of this to really see my lashes and make them look how I want them to look. But I am glad that I'm able to achieve this because it looks like the lashes are so full. It looks like there are so many lashes, which is the look that I love. They're definitely all nice and black. I am seeing a little bit of curl happening. I didn't use a lash curler before this, and there's a little bit of lifting. But best of all, it's just keeping the lashes from sticking together, and it looks like I have so many lashes, which is what I want to look like. So there we go. With it versus without it, it's a beautiful difference. You've got to have the patience to build it up. So now I'm going to go ahead and try it on the other eye. I am really glad to see that I did not get any mascara on my eyelid or my under eye. So that is really nice. That's one benefit of these small wands, even though it does feel like it takes longer for me to build up the lashes. I feel like I'm going to use up this mascara so quickly, since I feel like I have to keep dipping the wand back in to continue layering it up. At least it's an inexpensive mascara. So here are my finished lashes, and I am so happy with the finished look. Having the lashes look so full, separated, fluttery really does enhance the eyes. So I'm glad that it was worth the effort to layer it up, and that the lashes really never stuck together, even though I applied so much, and I really never got any mascara on my eyelids or my under eye. And this really did do exactly what it claimed. So if that's the type of mascara that you're looking for, I highly recommend checking this one out. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.